So you probably clicked on this video wanting to learn more about cryptocurrency, what it is, how you could get into it, and some things you want to look out for. So if you're completely new to crypto, you should stick around and watch this video to learn about crypto and how you can actually start investing in it. Without further ado, let's get started. So what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that doesn't rely on banks to verify transactions. It's a peer-to-peer system that enables anyone from anywhere in the world to send and receive payments. When you transfer crypto funds or you send it to someone or receive from someone, it records that those transactions are recorded in a public ledger and cryptocurrency is stored in a digital wallet. So now that you know what cryptocurrency is, let's talk about what money is. Money is a unit of account that serves as a medium of exchange. Money can also be anything, for example, cryptocurrency or NFT. So you've probably heard like everybody talk about Bitcoin, but you may not know what it is. So what is Bitcoin? Well, it's a digital payment system that allows us to send and receive value without the need for a trusted middleman. Transactions are verified, secured, and units are controlled using cryptocurrency. So now we'll talk about what the blockchain is. It is a public database where it stores your transactions and everything that you need to know, either transactions or anything like that. It stores it all in a database, a public database, so anyone could actually see it. What drives the demand for cryptocurrency? Well, first is that it has no middleman slash owner. Nobody actually owns it. Anybody can go and buy cryptocurrency, transfer it wherever they want, and nobody's making a profit from their own money or taking taxes off of it. They can do what they want with their money. The second is that it has no location and can't be shut down. So for it to be shut down, you literally have to turn off like the whole internet for the world for it to shut down. And since it has no location, anyone, anywhere from the world can access it. It has a huge supply. I think it's about 21 million coins for Bitcoin, so it has a huge market cap. It's easy to move and store. It just takes like a few clicks for you to move it to a different account or for you to store it in a wallet. It's really easy once you get to learn it. So you've probably seen multiple coins other than Bitcoin, and you're wondering, what are those coins? Are they still cryptocurrency? Well, yes, they are still cryptocurrency, but there's something called altcoins. These are coins that are not Bitcoin, but still have value in the market. They're basically alternatives to Bitcoin. There's also what people usually call shit coins, which are basically coins that are meme coins that are just started by people who either just want to do it as a joke or people who are trying to like scam you with from those coins. Those are the ones you want to tend to stay away from. So what are stable coins? Stable coins are cryptocurrencies that are fixed at the value of money, which is dollar. So for example, one stable coin equals $1. It's basically the same value as a dollar bill. It allows you to keep your funds in crypto. People use it to transfer Bitcoin to their country's currency so that they don't lose money from the transactions. Okay, so what are the areas where blockchain can actually be applied? One is in trade, finance, voting, food security, record keeping, identity verification, supply chain, funding, and title ownership. These are all things that could be kept in a blockchain. That's why the blockchain is becoming very popular, because it's secure and can be applied to so many different things in businesses or just in life. So now that you know what crypto is, what altcoins are, and about the blockchain, now you might want to know what are some things to look out for when actually looking for cryptos to invest in. Well, the first is the team. What is the team behind this crypto coin? Have they tackled previous crypto projects before? Next is the tech. What are they using to actually build this? Because you want to make sure it's a secure platform and that it won't just vanish all of a sudden. Next is future relevance. You want to make sure that maybe 5 years from now, this coin will actually be useful to people. You don't want to pick something just temporary, because as though you may be able to make money from it, we're looking for long-term investments here. Just like Bitcoin, if you invested like 10 years ago, right now you'd be a millionaire by now. Next is community. You want to find a community with this crypto coin. Usually most crypto coin projects have a Discord or Telegram where they post stuff, updates on their coins, some stuff, and their supporters can also upload stuff. So you could join those groups and see what it's about, see if the community is kind to each other. or even if they have a community to begin with. Next is token economics. You want to make sure that this coin is actually good and that you want to understand what this coin's about. So a useful website that you could use to actually find these coins is called CoinMarketCap and also CoinGecko. These are two different sites that you could use. It helps you find coins. It even gives you top performing coins and stuff like that, which is great because then you could just go straight to their website because they have the links to the website and everything. Click on it, check it out, and that's how you could find coins without waste time. So you are wondering, how do I actually buy cryptocurrency? Well, you could use a few platforms. Like, for example, you can actually use Coinbase, or you can use Binance, Kraken, KuCoin. Crypto.com is a good one. Most beginners tend to go with Coinbase or Crypto.com. Some do go with Binance as well. Those are three popular ones that most beginners go to. So if you want, you can sign up for those ones and start investing. When investing, it's recommended that you have 1,000 plus. You don't want to invest money that you actually need. You want to invest money that you're not actually using, because if you invest money that you need, especially as a beginner, if you lose it all, then that will be a problem for you. Okay, so how can you store your cryptocurrency? Where do you store it? In your exchange. So if you're doing Binance or KuCoin, you could actually just leave your Bitcoin or whatever coin you're buying on that platform. As soon as you buy it, nothing will happen to it. Or the last thing that you can do is take it to a wallet. If you have a wallet, you can put your crypto in there. So how do you actually make money with crypto? Well, the first is to buy low and sell high. This is what everybody does. You buy the coin where it's at its lowest, and then you are hoping for it to go super high up and make you the difference in price, and that will be your profit, and then you sell it off. Next, you could also leave your money in there for the long period of time, which is a dividend. You leave it for like a year or 5 years, not caring about if it goes up or down. You just want to see it in the long run, in the future, because you believe in that coin. So now that you've learned what crypto is and how to start investing in crypto, you can finally go out there and actually start investing in crypto. So if you enjoyed this video or have any questions, comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.